Hey guys, love the show. My question is related to smartphone security. 2008, passcode. 2013, Touch ID. 2018, Face ID. What's next? Thoughts? Whoa. Those took a long time. The way he listed them there, passcode came out in 2008. I feel like first of all, I feel like it was out before 2008. A passcode on like a computer or something. I guess he's talking strictly on smartphones.
Well,
okay.
I mean, the iPhone,
yeah,
2007
was a passcode. I mean, the passcode was, I get what he's saying. It was the original. Yeah. Then Touch ID came out. And of course, that's, fingerprint. Then the face thing, 2018. It's weird. I don't really like any of them that much. They all have their benefits and drawbacks. Face is a little hit and miss. Like in some circumstances, I really like it. In other circumstances, I find it to be a bit of a headache. What would be the ultimate? I don't know. The ultimate would be some sort of bio input that's just like holding it. Like some sort of thing where there's no deliberate movement. That it just like, almost like proximity or something. Like when you walk up to your car and it just unlocks kind of thing. That it knows you. It knows if it's in your hand by some other biomarker. Like imagine your hand had the other element embedded in it. We talked about this on a previous episode. I'm like, I'm not ready to embed anything. But imagine you had the other side of the RFID or something and you just... Yeah. But then I'm thinking about espionage. I'm thinking about Die Hard. I'm thinking about, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Thinking about all of it. So, but that would be cool. I think much like yesterday when we were talking about the selfie cameras, the invisible ones, I think technology is working at its best capacity when it's invisible, when you don't have to even notice it working, where the input from you is minimal, but the output from it is maximized. It's that exchange where technology is at its best. So for me, the ultimate unlock method would just be for my phone to know that it's me holding it. Now, maybe if the watch became more, but then someone could just steal your... I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out here.
Yeah, it could be like a combination of things. Maybe like your fingerprint would be mapped to the side of the smartphone, and then also...
Could that be a fingerprint? Like, could you have a sensor all the way down the frame, which could map this side of my palm? Maybe. And because you always hold your phone the same way.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know.
And in combination with like other biometric data.
That seems to me like it would be hit and miss. I would think that the ultimate would be some sort of a proximity thing. Like it has to know. Or maybe some sort of real-time scan. I don't know. Anyway, ideally, you just pick it up. It's unlocked. Maybe it's like Will says. Maybe it's a variety of biofeedback all happening
at
once.
Or something.
Yeah.